The Cheluva Narayanaswamy Temple, also known as the Melukote Temple, is a prominent Hindu temple located in Melukote. This temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, worshipped here as Cheluva Narayanaswamy. Situated on the hill, the temple offers panoramic views of surrounding landscape. The area is also known for its other historical and religious sites, making it a popular pilgrimage destination. So welcome back to Explore World channel with yet another amazing video. Click on the subscribe button if you are not done yet and hit on bell icon to get more updates on more such videos. The temple is a splendid example of Dravidian architecture, particularly influenced by the Hoysala style, which is known for its intricacy and artistic details. The temple is characterized by its intricate carvings and detailed sculptures. The temple complex also features a majestic gopuram and the beautifully designed pillars. The gopuram serves as a monumental entrance and is visible from a distance, signifying the temple's spiritual and cultural significance. The temple depicting various forms of deities, dancers, musicians, and other mythological figures. The temple features a spacious mandapa or a pillared hall where devotees gather for prayers and rituals. The mandapa is supported by intricately carved pillars, each depicting various forms of deities, dancers, musicians, and other mythological figures. The ceiling and walls of the mandapa are adorned with beautiful reliefs and carvings, showcasing the craftsmanship of artisans of that era. The temple has a rich history and is associated with various legends. It is also a significant center for the Sri Vaishnava sect with connection to the great Vaishnava Saint Ramanujacharya. One of the most famous attractions of this temple is this large temple tank known as Kalyani or Pushkarini. This sacred water body is used for various rituals and ceremonies, including ritual bath before entering the temple for worship. The steps leading down to the tank are lined with sculptures and carvings, adding to the overall aesthetic and spiritual experience. Kalyani has become a famous spot for movie shootings and pre-wedding photo shoots. The Cheluva Narayanaswamy Temple is not only an architectural marvel but also holds immense historical and cultural importance. It is associated with the great Vaishnavite Saint Ramanujacharya, who is said to have lived in Melukote for several years. The temple is a key pilgrimage site for followers of Sri Vaishnava tradition and attracts devotees from across India, especially during the annual Vairamodi Utsav, when the deity is adorned with a diamond-studded crown. After visiting Melukote, it's time for another famous place called Balmuri Waterfalls, which has featured in many movies. Balmuri Falls is approximately 37 kilometers from Melukote. This waterfalls is a scenic waterfall located near Srirangapatna in Mandya district of Karnataka. It's a popular spot for locals and tourists alike, known for its serene environment and picturesque views. The falls are formed by the Kaveri river, which flows gently over a man-made check dam, creating a wide and shallow cascade. The water's gentle flow makes it an ideal spot for visitors to wade and enjoy the natural beauty. The falls is known for its relatively calm waters, making it a safe place for swimming and bathing. The shallow depth and smooth rocks add to the appeal, especially for families with children. The surrounding area is lush with greenery, offering a peaceful and refreshing atmosphere. It's a great spot for picnics and relaxing by the water. While the falls are generally safe, it's important to be cautious around the rocks as they can be slippery. The Sunset Coracle boat ride at Balmuri Falls is a unique and memorable experience. Coracles are traditional circular boats commonly used in southern parts of India, especially on rivers and backwaters. A sunset ride in one of these boats at Balmuri Falls offers a serene and picturesque way to enjoy the natural beauty of this area. As the sun sets, the sky often fills with beautiful hues of orange, pink, and purple, reflecting off the calm waters of Kaveri water. The gentle flow of the river and the cascading waters of the falls create a picturesque backdrop. The ride offers a peaceful and relaxing experience, allowing you to soak in natural beauty and the sounds of flowing water. It's an excellent opportunity to unwind and enjoy the serenity of the surroundings. The boatman, skilled in navigating the currents, ensures a safe and enjoyable ride. During the ride, you might spot various birds and other wildlife, adding to the charm of experience. The lush greenery and natural surroundings enhance the overall ambience. The combination of sunset, the river, and the falls makes for excellent photo opportunities. Whether you are a professional photographer or just capturing memories, this setting provides plenty of chances for beautiful shots. Hope you have enjoyed the experience of Melukote and Balmuri Falls. If you enjoyed the video, hit like button, provide your comments, and do share it with your friends and family to support our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.